Kappa's gift. Once upon a time, when young people who finished work were drinking on the beach, they heard a beautiful singing voice from the sea. "Who on earth is singing?" The young people looked for a ship in the sea, but there were no ships in the sea. But certainly, the singing voice can be heard from the sea. The young people forgot to drink alcohol and listened to the singing voice. A few days later, when the young people put a me to take fish into the sea, a mermaid caught it. It has been said that mermaids have lived in this sea for a long time. The mermaid was really there. If you sell this, you can make a lot of makes. Young people are overjoyed. Then the mermaid spilled the namida and said, "Please, please return it to the sea as it is." "No, I can't let you escape. I'm sure you can sell it at a high price." And it's said that mermaid meat is a medicine for longevity. When the mermaid wiped the namida, she began to sing quietly. The singing voice is the same as what I heard on the beach someday. Was that what you were singing? Mermaid's singing voice has the power to manipulate people. The young people listened to the mermaid's singing voice and felt like they were dreaming. Eventually, when the song was over, the mermaid said, "If you help me, I'll tell you the secret of the sea." The young people who became pleased when they heard the mermaid's song said to the mermaid, "I got it. I'll help you. Thank you very much." The mermaid smiled happily and jumped into the sea from the ship and said, "Tomorrow morning, a big tsunami will hit the village. Please run away to a high place as soon as possible." When the young people heard that, they went to let the villagers know the words of the mermaid. All the young villagers believed in mermaids, so they immediately packed their bags and sent them to the mountains. "Okay, I still have time, so I'll let the other villagers know." The young people split up and went to other villages to let them know the words of mermaids. But other villagers don't believe in mermaids, so no one listens to the words of young people. What a stupid thing. There can't be a mermaid. It's true. There were really mermaids, and I said there would be a big tsunami in the morning. Why don't you do it? Don't make a fuss in the middle of the night. It's almost dawn. The young people had no choice but to run away to the top of the mountain. And soon, as the mermaid said, a big tsunami that no one had ever seen came, and the villagers on the beach were dragged into the sea in no time. Many people died in this big tsunami, but the young villagers believed in mermaids, so no one died. The end.